Hello guys and welcome back. So now in this video we will be adding the practice mode to our game. Okay, so for that go ahead and download this stunt ramps winrar file and unzip it, and after that it will give you this Unity package. Just simply double click on it and it will open up this window. Just simply click on import. After that where is it? Okay, right here. If you click on scene, then double click on demo. Okay, let's change to 3D mode. As you can see, these are the ramps. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is to set this up. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, as you can see, this is the whole environment in which we have the main camera, the ground plane, directional light. I'm gonna remove the main camera and let's add all of this in the inside the environment. Okay, then let's move this one right here. Okay, and you can set these wherever you want. Okay, and however you like it. And also inside the materials, as you can see, we have these materials. So what I'm gonna do right here is I'm gonna create another material. Let's name this as ground. Okay, and then let's color this as well. So let me put it right there. Now we can change the color to whatever uh, color we want. Okay, so I'm gonna color this one. Okay, as you can see. And also let's go ahead and first of all let's add our cars, and then after that we're gonna work on this even more. Okay, and also you can either add walls right here. So let's actually do that as well. What I'm gonna do is let's actually make this 200 by 200. Okay, so that we have a bigger area. And then right here at this side, right here, I'm gonna make a 3D cube. Okay, let's reset it and let's move it right here. Okay, like this. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna increase the scale Y to 10, for example. Okay, and move it outside the ground. Let's add the same material to it, and now we need to move it on that side. So let's move it like this. Okay, make it 200. Okay, it is small. Let's do it like this. We need to cover a lot bigger area. Let's make it 2000, and then after that let's move it right like this. Okay, make it 2500. Okay, so now it looks good. As you can see, we have this wall right here. Okay, now we can duplicate this and move this wall to the other side. That's it. Now if you check it out, here it is. Okay, just move it right here. That's it. Now let's add walls on the other two sides as well. So I'm gonna duplicate this again, and on the y-axis make it 90, and let's move it to that side. Okay, then double click on it so that we zoom in here, and then let's move it forward like this. Okay, and after this let's do the same for the other side. Okay, you can skip this part if you want. Now make this minus, whoops, actually we first need to duplicate it and then make it minus 1, minus 90 and move it to this side. Okay, let's double click on it and move it like this. That's it. Okay, so now we have walls and we have this practice area. Let's move these cubes inside the environment. Okay, now after this what we need to do is now to add our cars and then set these stunt ramps. Okay, so for the cars let's open up this scene 1, race 1 actually. Now from here, as you know that we have these player cars. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on game prefabs and delete this previous player cars prefab. Okay, because we have made some changes in our player car. Okay, and then make a prefab again and let's click on prefab unpack completely from here. Okay, then let's click on this and open up this. Actually, let's first of all rename this to practice. Okay, and then let's open this up. Now go inside game prefabs and player cars, drag and drop it right here. Okay, as you can see, these are our cars. Okay, so let's start the game and see how does it looks. Okay, so we have the car right here, we have the ramps and everything. Whoops. Okay, there is these things are, I think, a little bit above ground. Let's check it out. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is to move them to different places. Okay, for example right there. Okay, let's move this one right here and rotate it on minus 90 to that side, and also increase the size of it like this. Okay, okay, and also let me tell you guys that you can place this ramps wherever you want. Okay, I'll just show you how you can do that. And also let's change this material. For that, go ahead and download this yellow image. Okay, and then drag and drop it inside the game folder like this and add it inside sprites. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on material, select this ground material, lock it, then go inside game sprites and add it there. Okay, then in the material select tiling to 50 by 50. Okay, so that it gets like this. Okay, and now if we start our game again, you will notice now that it looks good. Okay, as you can see. So also let's fix this error, why it is showing this error. If we close that and check this out. What is missing in here? I think there is nothing missing, but it still shows this error. If we open up their cameras, as you can see, everything is added as expected. Okay, just enable the audio source and let's play it again and see if it shows that error again. Okay, it's still showing it on these three cars. Okay, car controller 94 line. Okay, it is due to this line, which is this in which we set the maximum laps. Okay, and as you know that in our practice mode and our against time mode, we don't have any laps. Okay, so that's why it is showing this error, but don't worry, we will fix that in the upcoming videos. But for now, as you know that our practice mode is ready, we have all of the things added and you can move these things around and set it up for yourself. Okay, I've just show you how you can do that. Now the last thing which we will be doing is to calling this practice mode from our main menu scene. Okay, so for that I have to open up the main menu scene. In here, go inside tournament panel. Let's change to 2D mode. Double click on it. Okay, in here, if we open up this frame 2, as you can see, it is already set up. Okay, and also we name our scene as practice. Okay, if you see it, as you can see, its name is practice. Okay, so make sure that you name this correctly. Okay, practice, and right here practice. Okay, and now before testing it out from the main menu, click on build settings and drag and drop this practice scene in there. Then let's start the game from here. Okay, let's click on garage. Let me double click to see the full screen. Okay, this time let's change the car to Bugatti. Let's select it, click on tournament, and let's play the practice mode. Okay, so just click on it, and as you can see, the game will be then started. Okay, so now you can move your vehicle wherever you want. You can set this practice area for your own game. Okay, but now with this done, let's end this video right here. Okay,